TikTok.
That guy seems like he's the happiest man alive.
Yay!
We got some tones.
Meep, meep.
Using the fuselage to help fly the airplane. Let's look if he can keep it off the ground. Keep it off,
Wow.
Jon.
That is an incredible deck angle there. Probably no
Shot the
visibility.
power. There you
Whoa,
go.
there we go. Heavy on the brakes.
My understanding is he actually has less visibility even with that insane deck.
I think he was happy with that. Within striking distance of each other with their 315 to 362 foot points.
And I can tell you right now, all of these pilots are probably feeling pretty good about their performance. We're seeing great numbers. And then I got in the airplane, and I'm 6'4". I don't fit in many airplanes. That airplane is massive inside, but let's watch Jon.
Popped him up into 4th place. Here's Jon Humberd.
Riding that line, You can see his head. Oh, I think it might be good.
I'm going to call that a scratch.
I think it might be good.
Central class. Amir's coming to steal a trophy. There we go.
Jon's got the line. Same basic idea.
Oh, he's going to have to add some power.
All that power.
Add some power. Nice.
Right across the line. Can he get it stopped in time?
Nice. There was some yelling and cheering behind us. That was very exciting. He's excited too.